The Subaru FB20D is part of the brand's attempt to modernize its legendary Boxer engine lineup. Introduced as a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter flat-4 with direct fuel injection, it was designed to improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and meet stricter global regulations while preserving Subaru's low center of gravity and all-wheel drive compatibility. On paper, the FB20D looks like a smart evolution. In reality, it is an engine that divides owners. While some drivers enjoy long, trouble-free service, others face costly issues that appear earlier than expected. Understanding where the FB20D excels and where it fails is critical before trusting it for long-term ownership. The FB20D uses an aluminum block with cast-in iron liners, DOHC heads, dual AVCS, active valve control system, and a high compression ratio made possible by direct injection. Compared to the older EJ series engines, the FB platform was engineered to reduce internal friction and improve fuel economy rather than maximize brute strength. Thinner piston rings, lightweight pistons, and tighter tolerances all contribute to better efficiency, but they also reduce the engine's margin for abuse. This design philosophy explains many of the FB20D's long-term problems. It works best under ideal conditions and consistent maintenance, but it does not tolerate neglect, overheating, or extended oil change intervals nearly as well as older Subaru engines. Excessive oil consumption is the FB20D's most common complaint. Many engines begin using oil well before 100,000 miles, even under normal driving. Low-tension piston rings and cylinder wall glazing, introduced to reduce friction and improve efficiency, are the main causes. Once oil consumption starts, it rarely improves, forcing owners to add oil every 1,000 to 2,000 miles. This can easily lead to dangerously low oil levels, accelerating bearing wear and increasing the risk of serious engine damage. Subaru has acknowledged oil consumption problems across the FB lineup, but permanent repairs typically require costly piston and ring replacement. Like most direct injection engines, the FB20D is prone to carbon buildup on the intake valves. Since fuel no longer washes the valves, oil vapors gradually form deposits that restrict airflow. This leads to rough idle, hesitation, power loss, and occasional misfires. Subaru's Boxer layout and EGR strategy can accelerate the process, making intake cleaning necessary around 60,000 to 100,000 miles, an unexpected maintenance cost for a naturally aspirated engine. The FB20D uses a timing chain instead of the timing belt found in older EJ engines, theoretically reducing maintenance costs. In practice, the chain itself is generally durable, but related components can cause trouble. Chain tensioners, guides, and oil control valves depend heavily on clean, high-quality oil. Sludge buildup or extended oil change intervals can lead to noisy cold starts, chain rattle, and in severe cases, timing deviation errors. While full timing chain failures are rare, repairs are labor-intensive and expensive, especially if the problem is ignored for too long. The FB20D runs hotter than older Subaru engines due to its higher compression and efficiency-focused design. While the cooling system works well when maintained, it has little tolerance for neglect. A faulty thermostat, restricted radiator, or trapped air can quickly cause overheating, and even a single heat event may warp cylinder heads or damage head gaskets. Unlike EJ engines, these failures are usually heat-related rather than purely design flaws, but the result is the same: costly repairs or full engine replacement. Direct injection brings higher fuel pressures and additional complexity. The high-pressure fuel pump, injectors, and related sensors are all potential failure points as mileage increases. Symptoms often include hard starts, hesitation, lean running conditions, or check engine lights. While not as failure-prone as some turbocharged DI systems, FB20D fuel system repairs can be costly due to parts prices and diagnostic complexity. In everyday use, the Subaru FB20D clearly shows how strongly modern engine reliability depends on owner behavior. Once maintenance is relaxed, long oil change intervals, aggressive driving on a cold engine, or ignored oil consumption, serious problems often appear well before 100,000 miles. This explains the FB20D's split reputation. It can be a smooth, efficient, and dependable daily engine in careful hands, but it quickly becomes problematic when treated like older, more forgiving Subaru motors. Ultimately, the FB20D reflects modern engineering trade-offs, good efficiency and emissions at the cost of durability reserves. It is not a bad engine, but it demands discipline, and buyers who expect old-school Subaru toughness may find it an expensive lesson.